Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your Dstv Zapper HD decoder, that's the 6X, to your TV set. Alright, so this is how you should do the rightful connection and then get it working. Alright, so at the back here we have some few ports that you're going to use it to do your connection. We have the LNB ports, which is for your sliders. The LNB from the sliders, the cable have to come into this port, and we have the USB ports. We have the HDMI, which if you are using a plasma TV, you're going in for the HDMI to actually get quality video output from the Zapper HD decoder. And we have the AV ports. HDMI and AV serve the same purpose, but the HDMI actually gives you more quality video output if you are to compare with the AV. So in case you are using a plasma, always going in for the HDMI port. And we have the power adapter port over here, which is 12 volts to actually connect your 12 volt adapter and then to power your decoder. So here, let's come to the LNB ports. You connect your cable over there. Alright. So here, if you don't know how to actually strip your signal cable, this is how you should strip it with your any tool that you have in the kitchen knife. You can actually use it to strip it. Just level the cable and then remove the first layer, ½ inch of the first layer. After removing the ½ inch, never remove the earth wires that is on it, and then remove the second layer. And then the next thing is to fix your F connector. So you add the F connector on top of the cable like this, and you are done. Alright, so now we're left with the HDMI. You have the HDMI cable that comes along with the decoder. So you connect the HDMI here, and the other side goes to your TV HDMI port. Alright, so if you don't have any plasma, you have the AV, phono to AV cable that comes along with your Zapper HD decoder. So you connect the jack side over here in the AV, and this side goes to your TV AV port. So yellow for yellow port, red for red, and white for white. The yellow holds the video, so you have to make sure that it's well fixed into the port. Alright, and you connect your adapter here, 12 volt adapter, to actually power your decoder, and you are good to go. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.